Alright, let's start with this potentially explosive article from Gabbar. Pi Network launch date expected on March 14, 2025. What's next? March 14, 2025. People. That's Pi Day. And it could be the day Pi Network finally launches its open mainnet. Is this the moment millions of pioneers have been waiting for, or is it just another tease? What's up, Crypto Crew? Gold Rush here, and welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your daily dose of crypto news, analysis, and insights. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Pi Network. We've got two must-read articles that shed light on the potential mainnet launch date, the ongoing Know Your Customer, KYC, process, and the growing excitement surrounding this controversial project. You are not going to want to miss this one. Alright, let's get into this Gabbar piece. As you can see here, it's all about the potential mainnet launch on Pi Day, March 14, 2025. There is excitement building up in pioneers now as Pi Network is gearing up for its latest open mainnet launch, the article states. With the event expected to set for Pi Day, March 14, 2025, blockchain innovation will certainly be transformed, and Pi Network might gain even more global recognition. Now, a March 14, 2025 mainnet launch would be huge. We've been hearing about the Pi Network mainnet for years, but this article suggests that it's finally happening. Gabbar emphasizes the significance of this launch, saying it will mark a major step for Pi Network, moving from a closed beta phase to a fully operational blockchain network. This expected launch will enable Pi token holders to transfer their Pi coins across supported exchanges, answering long-standing questions about the Pi Network listing and enhancing its utility in the crypto ecosystem, they write. This would allow Pi token holders to finally transfer their Pi coins across supported exchanges. This answers many long-standing questions about the Pi Network listing. Before we move on, smash that like button if you're a Pi pioneer or are intrigued by Pi Network's potential. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You do not want to miss my updates on this rapidly developing story. Gabbar explains why March 14, 2025, or Pi Day, matters. They say it's more than just a name-inspired jest. This strategic launch day signifies the dedication of the project to community-driven milestones in its mission to empower millions of users across the globe, the article states. They also recap Pi Network's journey so far. Launched with the vision of creating a decentralized and accessible cryptocurrency, Pi Network has amassed over 45 million active users globally, Gabbar writes. They acknowledge the skepticism surrounding its smartphone-based mining mechanism but highlight the platform's steady growth. 45 million active users, folks. That's a massive community. And despite the skepticism, Pi Network has continued to gain traction. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Pi Network will actually launch its mainnet on March 14, 2025? Share this video with anyone who needs to hear this information. Okay, let's talk about what to expect post-launch. Gabbar says that following the launch of Open Mainnet, Pi coins will be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges. This is to meet the community's demands for liquidity and trading options, they write. They also mention that the launch will see the beginning of real-world utility for Pi coins, with users able to make transactions and contribute to a decentralized economy. This is huge. Real-world utility is what separates successful cryptocurrencies from the rest. Gabbar highlights the plan for Pi Network to launch more decentralized applications, dApps, and form new partnerships. Furthermore, the plan for Pi Network is to launch more dApps and form new partnerships, which makes it an attractive platform for developers and businesses, the article states. This will make it an attractive platform for developers and businesses. They mention over 80 dApps are expected to debut, including a global directory of merchants accepting Pi coins, a gaming platform, a health-focused application, and an online marketplace. These applications are designed to increase engagement and facilitate broader adoption of Pi. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you're subscribed to Gold Rush Crypto Daily for more in-depth crypto analysis like this one. Also, check out some of my other videos as well. Alright, time for article number 2. This one's from CCN, and it's titled, PiCoin, PI, Price Returns to 626-Day Support After Another Mainnet Delay. CCN starts by acknowledging the numerous delays regarding the Pi Mainnet release. Pi Network launched in 2019, but its token has not yet hit the open market, they write. There have been numerous delays regarding the Pi Mainnet release, which was recently pushed to the first quarter of 2025. They also mention that the lack of an official token has not prevented Huobi and Bitmart from listing IOUs, representing the Pi price. But they emphasize that the Pi Network project does not support these unofficial IOUs. What's your take on these Pi IOUs? Do you think they're a good indicator of Pi's potential, or are they just misleading? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure you're subscribed for future updates on the Mainnet launch. CCN dives into the Pi price action, noting that it was bullish at the end of 2024 but has failed to sustain its momentum in the new year. To the contrary, the price fell by 60% since its October highs and now risks breaking down from a 626-day ascending support trendline, the article states. They say that since June 2023, the Pi price has increased alongside an ascending support trendline. The price briefly fell below this support in September 2024 but reclaimed it shortly afterward. CCN also highlights several unsuccessful attempts at breaking out above the $95 resistance area. And they say that today, the Pi price has returned to the long-term ascending support trendline. What do you think about this long-term ascending support trendline? Will Pi hold it, or will it break down? Share your insights in the comments, and share this video with your crypto crew. Let's get this discussion going. CCN warns that if the price breaks down, the next support is at $20, marking a 50% drop from the current level. They say that technical indicators are bearish. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, fall below their bearish thresholds at 50 and 0, respectively, the article states. So, the 3-day chart suggests that more downside is likely. This is definitely something to keep an eye on, folks. A breakdown from this long-term support could lead to a significant price drop. Do you agree with this bearish outlook based on the technical indicators? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future updates on Pi Network and the crypto market. CCN also analyzes the wave count, suggesting that a breakdown is the most likely future outlook. According to the count, PI has completed a 5-wave increase, white, and is now finishing its ABC correction, black, they write. They say that giving waves AC the same length leads to a low of $20, taking the Pi price to the aforementioned long-term horizontal support. So, the price action, indicator readings, and wave count all suggest that more downsides are likely. A breakdown from the ascending support trend line could catalyze this decrease and begin the final portion of the PI downward movement toward $20, the article concludes. This is a bearish scenario, folks, but it's important to consider all possibilities. Alright, let's connect the dots here. We have a potential mainnet launch date of March 14, 2025, Pi Day. We have a massive community of users, a growing ecosystem of dApps, and a surge in hype. But we also have a history of delays, a controversial Know Your Customer, KYC, process, and a bearish technical outlook for the Pi IOU price. This is a complex situation, folks. There's a lot of potential here, but there are also a lot of risks. I'm cautiously optimistic about Pi Network. I think the mobile-first approach is smart, and the community is undeniably strong. But the mainnet launch is crucial. If they can deliver on their promises and create a thriving ecosystem, PiCoin could become a major player in the crypto market. Could we see a price explosion after the mainnet launch? Absolutely. But could we also see a dump, like with other tap-to-earn tokens? It's possible. This is a high-risk, high-reward situation, folks. Remember, folks, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet sharing my analysis of the crypto market. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's it for today's Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Thanks for tuning in. Keep it locked here for more crypto news, analysis, and insights. Until next time, SD.